We are very close to 10,000 subscribers. I am really happy because of you guys. Thanks for giving me support and love. If you still haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notice. To celebrate this, I launched my channel memberships. Make sure to check out the plans and be a member if you are serious about editing and going viral. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to create that viral After Effects transition in Alight motion, which even I use in my edits. And one important thing, this tutorial will be fully explained or voiceovered. If your transition don't show up good, then you have skipped some import steps. Make sure you don't skip the video. Now let's begin. Get your clips ready. Add circle layer and follow my steps. Now duplicate the layer and adjust it. Now add motion blur to both layers. Select both layers and group them like I do. Adjust the group layer like me so that the transition should look clean. Now add turbulence effect and reduce the scale and change to whatever color you like. I'm going with blue. Now add turbulent displace, set it to XY. Reduce the scale and strength. Now add smooth bevel effect and adjust it accordingly. Now go to turbulence and add keyframe on evolution like me to make movement in the effect. Now add drop shadow, adjust it. and add deep glow and reduce the radius and intensity. Now add a new layer. Follow my steps